Welcome to our Time Management Essential series. These are short videos. Breaking down goals. Decompose larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks to prevent overwhelm. Utilizing prioritization tools. Use tools like to-do lists or priority matrices to better manage tasks. Rewarding achievements. Set up a system to reward yourself for achieving key tasks and goals. Reviewing goals regularly. Periodically review and adjust your goals to reflect changes in your priorities or circumstances. Maintaining focus. Keep focused on your priorities, avoiding distractions that do not serve your goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, explore more of our content on the YouTube channel under Basheer Juma. Please subscribe to this channel and share this link. Additionally, you can discover a range of books by Basheer Juma on Amazon that might interest you.